Hi, today we will see how to manage booster settings for Loveria. Go to Admin Panel. Open the settings from side menu bar. Select the booster setting from the Settings drop-down. Enter booster period in minutes. Enter booster price for standard users. Enter booster price for premium users. Update the setting. Click on the booster icon available in the header section. By using the booster setting, your profile will become a part of the featured user, and you will get priority in searches and random users. Booster profile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the button and turn on the notification bell. See you soon.